Henry Manny 55 guys, check it out, man. I don't even know where to start. But we'll come right here with the Creighton real quick. Full of that. So I thought I messed something up in my spur, guys. I thought something was torn up inside that spur case. Everything was perfectly fine. You know what happened, guys? That TP, guys. The TP finally fried out. It didn't burn out. It wants to go, but it's not going. It's stuttering. That's all it does. It's stuttering. When I hit the gas, it tick, 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 and then it'll move the truck a little bit. So I said, damn, I guess that's it for you, guy. We got to go get another one. That's a 1400 kV TP motor. And that joint, we've been running that in Mad Max all winter. All winter, guys. I gave it to the Creighton. The Creighton finished it off. So we're going to put this Spectrum motor back in that joint. Oh my God, look at Mad Max, guys. You can tell it's my work truck. Check them out real quick for a little bit. Man, where the other Badland at, Mad Max? All right, guys. I fucking toasted my chassis. Look at it. I toasted my chassis. Hold on. Look on the bottom, guys. I did all this for you guys. Man. So today, I got off the phone with Tom. I said, Tom, I need Mad Max back. He got a broken leg. His body finished. What can you do for me, Tom? So we just going to go get everything brand new, the brand new brakes, the brand new front section, middle section, back section. We even going to go and get the skid plates for the bottom of that joint. We're going to bring Mad Max back. And then we got a Castle motor waiting for Mad Max when he come back out that joint. All right, so Max Slash. Max Slash is holding it together. Max Slash, fine. Max Slash just needs some batteries in that joint. You know what I'm saying, man? I did every goddamn thing to this truck. But I can't seem to break it. This got it together. So we ain't got to do nothing to Max Slash. Just put the ESC in that joint and slap some batteries in there. Get out of there, you're fine. Modified. Woo! The slipper clutch, guys. The teeth. The metal spur. Well, the metal pinion. Chewed that plastic spur right on up, guys. So we're going to go grab a couple extra. They're only $4. I wish they had a metal one. But it seemed like they only got the plastic one. So they're only $4. We'll get a couple of those joints. So if we run across that problem again, with that joint slipping, we can switch it right out. We ain't got to wait no more. That's what's been going on. I know y'all ain't seen no crazy videos of that joint real quick for a little bit. But check it out, though. We coming back. We coming back. All the way back. And I got a new location. And on top of that, guys, we bringing a new furry friend to the channel. I'm going to get my puppy. We're going to call him a little bit. We're going to go pick up a little bit in a little bit. Check it out, man. Hold on, let's do this right way real quick for a little bit. Let's do it right way real quick for a little bit. We jumping. And we ain't playing with no goddamn body. Cut that joint.